ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
भक्ति भवति नैष्ठिकी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 13, Text number 8. युधिष्ठिर उवाच
युधिष्ठिरवाच
युधिष्ठिर उवाच
युधिष्ठिरवाच
अपि स्मरथ न युष्मात्
अपि स्मरन् नो युष्मम्
अपि स्मरथ नो युष्मात्
अपि स्मरथनो
युष्मात् पक्षच्छाया समेधितान्
पक्षच्छाया समेधिताम्
पक्षछाया समेधितान्
पक्षच्छाया समेधितान्
विपद्गणाद् विषाग्न्यादेर् गणाद् विषाग्न्यादेर् मूर्छिता यत् समात्तक्रः
मूर्छिता यत् समाप्तका
मूर्छिता यत् समात्क्रः
मूर्छिता यत्
समात्कृता।
कृता।
युधिष्ठिर उवाच
युधिष्ठिरवाच
महाराज युधिष्ठिर said
महाराज Yudhishthira said,
अपि
Api
whether
whether
स्मरथ
Martha
you remember
you remember
na
na
yeah us
yes
us
us
yushmat
Yushmat
from you
from you
paksha
Paksha
partially towards us
partially towards us
like the wings of a bird.
like the wings of the bird.
Chaya
Chaya
protection.
Sameditan
Sameditan we who were brought up by you.
We who were brought up by you.
Vipad Ganat from various types of calamities.
From various types of calamities.
Visha by administration of poison.
By administration of poison.
Agni Ade by setting on fire.
By setting on fire.
Mochita release from. Yat what you have done.
what you have done.
Sa, along with
Along with
Matraka,
Matraka,
our mother.
our mother.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Maharaj Yudhishthir said, "My uncle, do you remember how you always protected us, along with our mother, from all sorts of calamities? Your partiality, like the wings of a bird, saved us from poisoning and arson." Repeat. Maharaj Yudhishthir said,
Maharaj Yudhishthir said,
"My uncle,
my uncle,
do you remember
do you remember
how you always protected us,
how you always protected us,
along with our mother,
along with our mother,
from all sorts of calamities?
from all sorts of calamities?
Your partiality,
Your partiality,
like the wings of a bird,
like the wings of a bird,
saved us
saved us
from poisoning and arson."
from poisoning and arson.
Purport. Due to Pandu's death at an early age, the minor children and widow were the object of special care by all the elderly members of the family, especially Bhishma Dev and Mahatma Vidur. Vidur was more or less partial to the Pandavas due to their political position. Although Dhritarashtra was equally careful for the minor children of Maharaj Pandu, he was one of the intriguing parties who wanted to wash away the descendants of Pandu and replace them by raising his own sons to become the rulers of the kingdom. Mahatma Vidur could follow this intrigue of Dhritarashtra and company, and therefore, even though he was a faithful servitor of his eldest brother Dhritarashtra, he did not like his political ambitions for the sake of his own sons. He was therefore very careful about the protection of the Pandavas and their widow mother. Thus he was, so to speak, partial to the Pandavas, preferring them to the sons of Dhritarashtra, although both of them were equally affectionate in his ordinary eyes. He was equally affectionate to both the camps of nephews, in the sense that he always chastised Duryodhan for his intriguing policy against his cousin. He always criticized his elder brother for his policy of encouragement to his sons, and at the same time he was always alert in giving special protection to the Pandavas. All these different activities of Vidura within the palace politics made him well known as partial to the Pandavas. Maharaj Yudhishthir has referred to the past history of Vidura before his going away from home for a prolonged pilgrimage journey. Maharaj Yudhishthir reminded him that he was equally kind and partial to his grown-up nephews even after the battle of Kurukshetra, a great family disaster. Before the battle of Kurukshetra, Dhritarashtra's policy was peaceful annihilation of his nephews, and therefore he ordered Purochana to build a house at Varanavata. And when the building was finished, Dhritarashtra desired that his brother's family live there for some time. When the Pandavas were going there in the presence of all the members of the royal family, Vidura tactfully gave instructions to the Pandavas about the future plan of Dhritarashtra. This is specifically described in the Mahabharata, Adi Parva 114. He indirectly hinted a weapon not made of steel or any other material element can be more than sharp to kill an enemy, and he who knows this is never killed. A weapon not made of steel or any other material element can be more than sharp to kill an enemy, and he who knows this is never killed. That is to say, he hinted that the party of the Pandavas was being sent to the Varanavata to be killed, and thus he warned Yudhishthira to be very careful in their new residential palace. He also gave indications of fire and said that the fire cannot extinguish the soul but can annihilate the material body. But one who protects the soul can live. Kunti could not follow such indirect conversations between Maharaj Yudhishthira and Vidura, and thus when she talks of Vidura, it was understood that there was a hint of fire in the house. When she inquired from her son about the purport of the conversation, Yudhishthira replied that from the talks of Vidura, it was understood that there was a hint of fire in the house where they were proceeding. Later on, Vidura came in disguise to the Pandavas and informed them that the housekeeper was going to set fire to the house on the 14th night of the waning moon. It was an intrigue of Dhritarashtra that the Pandavas might die altogether with their mother, and by his warning, the Pandavas escaped through a tunnel underneath the earth, so that their escape was also known as also unknown to Dhritarashtra. So much so that after setting the fire, the Kauravas were so certain of the death of the Pandavas that Dhritarashtra performed the last rites of death with great cheerfulness. And during the mourning period, all the members of the palace became overwhelmed with lamentation, but Vidura did not become so because of his knowledge that the Pandavas were alive somewhere. There are many such instances of calamities, and in each of them, Vidura gave protection to the Pandavas on one hand, and on the other hand, he tried to restrain his brother Dhritarashtra from such intriguing policy. Therefore, he was always partial to the Pandavas, just as a bird protects its eggs by its wings. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमामि विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमामि विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। युधिष्ठिर उवाच अपि स्मारथ न युष्मत् पक्षच्छाया समेदितान् विपद्गणाद् विषाज्ञदेर् मोचिता यत् समात्क्रहा। Maharaj Yudhishthir said, my uncle, do you remember how you always protected us along with our mother from all sorts of calamities? Your partiality, like the wings of a bird, saved us from poisoning and arson. So Yudhishthir Maharaj, after welcoming Vidura back, he started talking to him. Vidura had taken rest, was given nice prasadam to eat sumptuously, and now after the rest, they want to discuss. The first thing he says is, he just, again, I've said this many times, the best way is to first glorify the person. If you want to get something from him or you want some blessing, then you have to. That's why we say always, please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. And then all glories to the person also whom you are talking to. If he is your senior, then you have to tell him, you are an exalted person. You are so merciful that you like that you have to talk to him. So here, Yudhishthir Maharaj is telling Vidura that how he saved them, how he protected them. And he's saying that you are partial. You are partial. How? Because the word here is paksha. Pakshi, his wings are called paksha. That's why it's pakshi. The one having wings is called pakshi. So paksha is to protect the eggs. When the bird lays the eggs, it protects it with the wings. Let it be sun, rain, whatever. That's how the bird kingdom works. So here, Bhagavatam has this wonderful analogies all the time. So here we see how a bird's wings are compared to a protection of a person. And Srila Prabhupada explained through some examples that how especially he talked about the fire at the Varnavata. And how clever they were, he did not tell directly because there must be another people also. So he just tells you some hint. And Mother Kunti could not get it. So she asked Yudhishthir, what was that? And Yudhishthira Maharaj immediately said that yes, this he is just hinting at, because he says it's not necessary that you need a sword or steel to kill somebody. There can be something sharper than that. Like that's why, remember we say that sometimes the words are sharper than the knife, because the word can injure somebody internally, internal injury. So this is a wonderful glorification. And Mahatma Vidur, Prabhupada calls him Mahatma. Mahatma asa sudarlabha. Bhagavad Gita, it says, that it's not easy to get Mahatmas. He's one. Again, just to remind you, yesterday we saw that he is born as a Shudra, his Shudra mother. But he is incarnation of Yamaraj. So, for a Shudra to become a Mahatma is possible. Shudra by birth, not by action. Action you are Shudra, then you are Shudra. Action you are Shudra, then even if you are a Brahmana, you are Shudra. So, we'll continue like this. Wonderful narration. Thank you very much. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.